Hello, children. Welcome back to the St. Joseph's English Medium School, Vijaypur. Myself, Deepa Katti. Today, we will start our syllabus. So, in our syllabus, we have first poem, I like to do. So, before moving to the poem, let's know some new words with their meanings. Okay, once you know about the meaning of these words, you will understand the poem. Okay, children. See, the name of the poem is I Like to Do. Some new words we come across in this poem are first one, nodding. Nodding means moving head slightly. Nodding means moving head slightly. When somebody asks you something, you just move your head, no? So that is called nodding. Next word is run past. Run past means to run near. When you run from near any object, that is called run past. Okay. The next word is fresh. Fresh you all know. New or recent. Okay. You might have seen fresh vegetables, fresh fruits, fresh flowers. Okay. That is called fresh. And the next word is crisp. Crisp means not soft. It's very touching. Like you might have eaten the biscuit. When you eat it, a sound comes like crushing that. So that is called crisp. Here, this word is used to describe the soft air. Okay, that air is very crisp. It's not soft. So the word is used to describe the air in this poem. Okay, let's move on to the next word. Moist. Moist means slightly wet. During morning, you might have observed there will be moist on the glasses of the window. Okay, that is called moist, slightly wet, not completely wet, slightly wet. The next word is dew drops. Okay, dew drops means tiny drops of water on leaves. Tiny drops of water, you might have observed when you get up in the morning, just see on the tip of the leaf of your plants or the flowers, there will be a tiny drops of the water, that is called dew drops. Okay, the next word is wonder. Wonder means caused by something beautiful. Like when a plant, when you grow a plant, after some day you can observe a small bud. Bud ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊಗ್ಗು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೂ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲ ಮಗ್ಗಿ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಡ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಬಡ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ bud will start blooming into the flower. You something caused by something beautiful is called wonder. If you plant any flower plant in your pot anywhere, if you see a flower blooming in it, you feel very wonderful, no? So that is called wonder. So let us start the poem. I like to do. In this poem, the girl is there. She is telling about what she likes to do. First, I will read the poem. Afterwards, I will explain the poem. Okay? Read along with me, children. I like to hear the sound of birds. I like to hear the sound of birds. Here it is. I like to hear the sound of birds when I get up every morning. I like to hear the sound of birds when I get up every morning. I like to see the nodding flowers when I run past every morning. Once again I will read. I like to see the nodding flowers when I run past every morning. Okay, children, I hope you are also reading with me. I like to smell I like to smell the fresh, crisp air when I go out every morning. I like to smell fresh, crisp air when I go out every morning. The next paragraph is I like to touch the moist dew drops when I walk on the green grass every morning. Once again, read with me. I like to touch the moist dewdrops when I walk on the green grass every morning. Okay. I like to thank you, O dear God, for all these wonders every morning. Once again, read with me, children. I like to thank you, O dear God, for all these wonders every morning. So, this was the poem. Now, I will explain you one by one. This is the first paragraph, children. I like to hear the sound of birds when I get up every morning. You, you might have heard the sound of birds. Morning, the sound of birds will be very melodious, very beautiful. See here, you can observe here. Birds are singing very sweetly. So that sound is very beautiful. She liked to hear the sound of birds here when she get up every morning. Next one, I like to see the nodding flowers when I run past every morning. Nodding means just now we have learned the word meanings, no? So you can observe here. Flowers are nodding their head. They are moving their head slightly. That is called nodding. In this paragraph, girl is telling about she likes to see the nodding flowers when she run past every morning. ಆಕಿಗೆ ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಳ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಆ ಹೂ ತನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಅಳಗಾಡಿಸೋದು ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಡಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೂವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಳಗಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾಡಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ she likes to see the nodding flowers when I run past every morning. I like to smell the fresh crisp air when I go out every morning. Here the word crisp word they have taken. We have learnt already what is the meaning of crisp. Morning the air will be very fresh, no? Sometimes we feel very cold. You just get up early in the morning and just go out and stand outside. When you go out of your bed and you stand outside in fresh air, you feel little cold. The what cold you feel in the morning, no, that is called fresh crisp air. When I go out every morning, the girl is telling that I like to smell the fresh crisp air when I go out every morning. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಕೂಡಲೇ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇನು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಗಾಳಿ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಗಾಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಆ ತಂಪು ಗಾಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್. I like to touch the moist dew drops when I walk on the green grass every morning. I like to touch the moist dew drops. Moist ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನೀಗ Moist andre slightly wet. Just now we have learnt in the meanings, isn't it, children? That is called moist. Moist means slightly wet, this moist. And again, dewdrops. Dewdrops means, here you can observe here small tiny droplets, water droplets on the grass. Okay, in the background you can observe this. So that is called dewdrops. She likes to touch the moist dewdrops when she walks on the green grass every morning. ಆಕಿಗೆ ಮಾಯ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್, ಆ ಮಂಜು ಕರಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀರು ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ನೀರಿನ ಹನಿಗಳೇನು ಹುಲ್ಲಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಕಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ. ವೆನ್ ಐ ವಾಕ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ನಾಗ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಕೂಡಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ತಂಪಿರ್ತದೆ ಹುಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಯ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಶಿ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ next paragraph. I like to thank you, oh dear God, for all these wonders every morning. Here she is thanking God for all the wonders she is experienced every morning. Isn't it, children? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಏನಂತಾಳೆ, ದೇವ್ರೇ ನನಗಿವೆಲ್ಲ ವಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ನನಗಿವೆಲ್ಲ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಯು. ಸೊ ಶೀ ಈಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಫಾರ್ all the wonders every morning. Okay children, I hope you all understood the poem. If you have any doubt, see this video again and again. And the today's work for you is, write this poem with the poem name, heading, and remember one thing, don't forget to write the date. I am observing that some students are not writing the date properly. Children, whenever you start writing anything in your notebook, first write down the date first, then heading, then write the whatever work is given, write it neatly, whichever subject it may be. Okay, children? Okay, so today what you have to do, you have to write the poem first write down the date, then poem number, name, and write down the poem once. Then after that, in next page you have to write the meanings of the new words. We will be sending the PDF of all this. Okay, and also memorize the poem, children. Okay children, take care. Bye.